Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to bake and decorate cake from the scratch. I'll be using baking powder, sugar, eggs. I've already cracked my eggs, liquid milk, vanilla flavor, margarine, and flour. I've already sieved my flour. I'll go ahead and put my margarine in a bowl and set aside. I go ahead and whisk my egg and my sugar together. After whisking my egg and sugar till it's fluffy and the sugar completely dissolved in the egg, I'll go ahead and cream my margarine before adding my sugar and egg mixture into the margarine. If you bake your cake this way, it will make your cake to come out super fluffy and moist. So guys, make sure you cream your egg and sugar together. This way your sugar will completely dissolve and it will make your cake to be super fluffy and very moist. Thereafter, I transferred my creamed egg and sugar into my margarine and continue creaming. After creaming till I get my desired consistency, I go ahead and add all my dry ingredients to my flour. I add my baking powder to my flour. After adding all my dry ingredients to my flour, I go in with the flour and start folding in. When incorporating your flour, time to fold in and not cream again. I gradually add my liquid, which is the milk, and my flour. Then I add my vanilla essence and continue folding in. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I'll list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Please check it out. So guys, I go ahead and grease my baking pan with vegetable oil. You can also use butter or margarine to grease your pan. And of course, I lined it with baking paper. I pour in my cake batter and bake. And guys, my cake is nicely baked, super fluffy, very nice, super moist. After baking my cake, I set it aside and leave it to cool completely, and I begin to make my butter icing frosting. When you are making your butter icing, it's very important that you sieve your icing sugar. Very, very important. After sieving my icing sugar, I go ahead and melt my margarine. And begin to incorporate my icing sugar into my margarine. Guys, it's very easy to make butter icing. One of the most easy icing to make. Just with your wooden spatula or anything, just go ahead and keep creaming. I gradually incorporate my icing sugar into my butter, and when I get the right consistency, I add a little vanilla essence. And guys, you can as well add milk, like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of milk to this frosting. I go ahead and place some butter frosting on my cake board to secure the cake so that the cake will not be shifting when I'm decorating it. So guys, this is a butter icing frosting, so there's no need to do too much trimming, unlike if I'm covering a fondant cake. So I just trim it a little and layer my cake. The crumbs I'm putting in between is just to level the cake so that it will not tilt to one side. So guys, after leveling my cake as shown, I go ahead and crumb coat my cake. Crumb coating your cake helps it to hide any flaws when you are decorating your cake. So it's very important to crumb coat your cake. I'll also do a video showing how to carefully crumb coat your cake. Alright, I'll do a video on that. So I go ahead and add my food color to my butter icing. This is to enable me achieve the desired color I want to use for my design. I'm using red food color. You can as well use any color of your choice. So I go ahead and fill in my piping bags with my butter icing. I fill in the colored and the cream color. It's not actually necessary that you do it exactly like this. I am doing a beginner's friendly decoration. You can either pipe your butter icing the way I'm doing it like this, or you use your palette knife and apply it directly on the cake. But doing it this way makes it to cover a lot of flaws and your cake will be well covered without any flaws. So guys, I use my cake comb to smoothen this up nicely. So I finished this up with this beautiful rosette design. You can achieve this with your star nozzle. Use your star nozzle, put your coupler and your piping bag, and you are good to go. And guys, look at what we have here. Beautiful, beginners friendly butter icing frosting. If you watched this video to this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I want to specially thank my returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. And if you are new to the channel, please join the family. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.